Ngayon ninyo is to participate. Participate and collaborate with your classmates and respect each other.
I want to become a teacher, not just someone who lectures from the front, but someone who walks alongside with my students, guiding them, cheering on them, sparkling that fire of learning within them. It's not a job, it's a calling, a chance to really make a difference. I remember my teachers that once who saw my past flubs, who celebrated even the smallest twin, and who believed in me, even if I didn't believe in myself. He didn't just teach the fact, but he taught me how to think, how to question everything, and how to find joy in the process of learning. That feeling, right? So that's what I want to give to my students.
Yes.
My classroom will be a safe space, a place to explore where curiosity is not just okay, it's celebrated. Well, focus on understanding, not just memorization, and I want them to carry that love of learning within them long after they graduated. So, I build a classroom where everyone feels supported, where it's okay to take chances, to stumble, to learn from mistake. We'll celebrate each other's unique talents and passion. We'll be a team working together. I want to help them grow into thoughtful, problem solving adults who care about their community. I'll teach them empathy, kindness, respect, the things that truly matter. I equip them with the tools that they need to navigate this complex world and make it a better place. Teaching is hard work. I know that, but it's also incredibly fulfilling. The impact you can have, it's huge. It's a ripple effect. One student, one classroom, one community at a time. That's what I want to teach, to create a ripple, to inspire, to empower, and to leave the world with a little brighter.
Performance. So, I think that you have learned enough sa our discussion for today. So, that's it and goodbye.
Goodbye.